Hello everyone, this is Box Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to show you a review of the finished garment. I'm wearing the finished frock coat. I showed you how to make a pattern for it, how to cut and tack it. Have a look at the chest darts. They're absolutely perfect, and they end with the pockets. I remind you that the center back seam ends with a vent. Have a look at the way the frock coat fits me. The tailor who was sewing this frock coat told me that the fabric did all the job itself. It made the garment fit me perfectly. The button stand was doubled with the interfacing material. A lot of people asked me if we altered the sleeve according to the altered armhole. We've showed you how to work with the sleeves and the armholes a lot of times. So we thought that there was no need for us to show you that again. I didn't change the size of the armhole. I've just changed its shape a bit. I've made the sleeve a bit wider at the bottom, for about 7 mm. You all know how to make the sleeve head higher or lower, how to make it wider. If you make the sleeve head wider, do not forget to cut the extra pieces from it. Guys, as I've already said, I showed you how to work with the armholes and the sleeves a lot of times. By the way, my course on the 10 measurement cutting system will be out very soon. It will provide you with all the information you need to make a basic pattern. You will also learn how to make the basic patterns for the sleeves. I want you to understand that the size of the sleeve doesn't change when we change the shape of the armhole. This is very important. I really wanted to learn to work with the basic patterns. It's very convenient to work with them. Using the perfect basic pattern, you can sew almost anything you want. Practice makes perfect. What else do I want to show you? This is one of my favorite scarves. It's of an American designer, Tadashi Shoji. I've already showed you the dress of this designer. I think that both the scarf and the brooch match the frock coat perfectly. I also have different matching shoes. I love this outfit. The fabric has cotton and polyester in its structure. You can actually see the both fabrics here. The shiny details are of polyester. You can cut the fabric both lengthwise and crosswise. We have this fabric in dark blue and black colors. This is the fabric of the Spanish producer Rufa Colli. I love it. The fabric itself is pretty complicated. This is why I chose the most simple buttons. If the fabric was simple, I would have made the vents in the sleeves. It was actually possible to make the vents in the sleeves, but I wanted the frock coat to be of a pretty simple design. What makes the frock coat different from the regular coat? The frock coat is basically a jacket which was made longer. If I made this frock coat shorter, it would have become a very nice jacket. I recommend everyone making such amazing, classic-style garments. I know that not everyone needs such clothes on an everyday basis. It's true. I also don't wear them often. Anyway, sometimes I do need to look like a serious business lady. This frock coat is perfect for such occasions. There is nothing complicated about this frock coat. I've already showed you how to make different coats and jackets. The videos on sewing a multifunctional dress would also be very useful when sewing the frock coats. The frock coat is lined. The lining is also dark blue. It's of a very high quality. It's perfect for lining the coats. Notice that there is no collar in my frock coat. You can make frock coats with different colors. You can even make a stand collar. I want you to understand that there is no need for you to sew absolutely the same garments as I do. Changing different details is one of the ways to be different and beautiful. You can add or change any details you want. There are some rules for sewing frock coats. The sleeve should be of an accurate shape. Don't make them too long, and don't make them too short either. The frock coat should also be of the accurate length. The frock coat should be of the simple classic designs. Don't make them too complicated. Use imagination when sewing different regular coats. Notice that in my coat, the stripes are vertical. You can make the frock coats with the horizontal stripes. The gold buttons would also look good here. I wanted the frock coat to be simple. This is why I attached the simple black buttons here. I love wearing different accessories, so the garments I wear should be pretty simple. I remind you that the sleeves were too long at the first fitting. We made them shorter. I hate too long sleeves. The sleeves are of perfect length now. Have a look here. If the sleeves were that long, I wouldn't wear the frock coat. I'm serious. The sleeves are the perfect length now. They are very elegant. You can make the sleeves longer if you want to. It's not that I don't like long sleeves. I can't stand them. If a tailor makes a garment with the long sleeves for me, I don't wear it until the sleeves are made shorter. Seriously, I can be absolutely obnoxious. I'm glad that I had the chance to show you this frock coat. I want every one of us to have such amazing garments. Let's be different and beautiful together. I worked really hard to make it come true. My name is Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.